Hi, this is Alicia McDaniel from artforthecreativesoul.com. Today we are sharing our red velvet cake drawing lesson. This is a simple and fun drawing to do, and it's great for this time of year where we're having lots of celebrations for the holidays and for special occasions and gathering with our family. So we'll be using these 5 oil pastels and a 9-inch by 9-inch sheet of paper, and just using vertical and diagonal lines, I'm going to be able to draw a very simple cake slice. So I'm using the white oil pastel to do my basic sketch for this. And once I get it set up on the paper, I am going to go ahead and continue to add more details. So I'm adding 2 diagonal lines in the center to create layers in this cake slice. And as you can see, I've drawn it very large and I'm really filling up the paper. It's kind of like we have zoomed in with the camera and we're looking at it up close. So I'll use that white oil pastel to go in and just color all of the areas where the frosting would go. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the burgundy oil pastel, so where we see the actual cake layers. And I'll add a little bit more of the detail with the trim and a little bit of red sprinkled on top. So once I do that, I will use a metallic oil pastel to draw a fork. And I'm just going to take my time until I get the size and the length of the fork that I like. And once I finish coloring it in, I will use a white oil pastel to add a highlight. And then I'll use the burgundy oil pastel to go back under the fork to create a shadow to make it look a little bit more 3-dimensional. Okay, so once I finish that, I am going to draw some curved lines that go off the edge of the paper so that I can create a drawing of a saucer or plate under the cake slice. I'm using a peach oil pastel to do this. I'll color it in with a peach oil pastel and then layer white on top of that. And then I'm going to use the blue and burgundy oil pastels to go back in and add a little bit more dimension or depth to the shadows. This is a great art lesson to do with a young artist in your family. And you can have an art table. So make sure to visit our website to find more tips and resources related to celebrating the holidays.